Hello, everyone. Once again, my name is Anne from another vlog. So, for today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to land a Korean easel job. So, first things first, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So, ayun na nga, I am looking for a job and I want to have an experience teaching Korean students. And this big opportunity came to me, and I'm very blessed that I found out na meron palang website that gives information or a way to land a job, an ESL job, or can be a way to give you a opportunity to teach abroad. So I'll be sharing this website. This is called indeed.com.ph. If it's PH, syempre in the Philippines. Or if indeed.com and you search for, different countries like POEA, different countries, yes. It will give you lots of opportunities abroad. So let's get started. I'm gonna show you how I landed a job here in Indeed.com. Okay, so now we are here in Indeed.com or ph.indeed.com. So in this website, it will give you lots of opportunities, lots of jobs that you want, and all you have to do is to apply. So what are you gonna do? First, you should create your profile. So here above, you can see my profile, and also, yeah, this one. You can see my profile, my contact information, and my job preference. So, i-connecta mo lamang. You're gonna connect your profile sa iyong email. So, your email will be updated every now and then. So, if there will be messages, you can click message, and then if you applied for a job, for example, I landed a job here in Ivy Academy or Ivy English. This is based from Korea, and this is a temporary job pero pwede din namang full-time job. So it's up to you. So I picked this Ivy Academy Online English because they told me that they are hiring applicants with, they have here a job type. So job type, you can see full-time, temporary, or fixed term. So, ang pinili ko is temporary because I want to teach them for only 1 month. So, in 1 month, karoon ako ng experience with Korean students, and they are very funny, but sometimes they're very tired kasi they are inside it's like a camp and a camp house, and they are learning there. Talagang kulong sila doon para silang magbo-board exam and all. And parang napapagod because talagang subsob sila sa pag-aaral, and I understand that. And also, you can see here the full job description. So first, makikita mo home-based online ESL instructor for Korean students. So they are based from Muntinlupa. Maybe they have their office there. And also, I applied here. This is the description of the job. So you may view the description. So this is, a home-based ESL online teaching job. What are the requirements? It is indicated here that at least 1 year of experience in teaching experience and reliable home-based working environment. Also have reliable working environment and camera equipment. Check. Preferable long-term commitment. Check. Teaching Korean students one-on-one via Skype. So I have a Skype account, so it's not a problem in my side. So I think I am a best fit for this job. Ayun na nga. So, they have beginner, they have advanced level from grade 1 to grade 12 up to adult students, provided na yung lesson plans and books. And also, you can customize it a little. Monthly progress reports, ayon, they report every day. So, magagawa ka dun parang daily reports kung ano yung uh, ginawa ng bata, what are your topics, what is the book that you used. So, I'm gonna be showing to you the report card here. This is my English record. So, ayan. These are my students. And pang temporary lang. So, I teach them. I'm not full-time, so half day lang kami. From 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. So, these are the lessons. So, ilalagay mo yung date, also the lesson covered, ano yung naging progress ng bata, and also here, makikita mo the pictures, the proof na may assignment. They have their assignment. Also, they have their journal. So they have an everyday journal, English journal, where they put their experience inside the camp. Also, I have here the attendance remark. If they are absent, academic remarks, what are their improvement, and so on and so forth. Misplaced na. So these are madali lang siya because you can, make it shorter. The shorter the better. And I have experience here na hindi ako nagawa. I didn't do my English record, and then the cutoff came. So my salary is not as whole as I can imagine. It's like half of my salary lang na give sa akin. So what I mean by that, I should have just done or complete my English record. So nadala ako. What I did is every day, naglalagay ako sa English record, and then sa sunod na katapusan, sa sunod na cut-off, ay nakompleto na yung sahod ko. And still, I'm still waiting right now sa sahod ko. Kasi katatapos nila lang last month. Yan. So, the last na magbibigay sila ng sahod is 31. Yes. So, let's go back here. Yeah. And currently hiring from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. schedule. So what are the salary range? So this is based on your educational background and experiences. So ako sa 130 per hour. Medyo mababa pa siya pero okay na din kasi sideline lang naman. So here, we also have, those new teachers from the Philippines, Filipino teachers. We have GC in our Skype. So me, as an experienced online teacher, I give them websites that will help them to teach kids. So ang aking style is that nandito sa video na ito. You should watch it. Style ko sa pagtuturo sa Korean students. I'm gonna be sharing with you how you can get a job. So first, you can click this what section. So click nyo dyan kung ano yung gusto nyong work. And then, you can also click where, saan ba, POEA ba overseas, POEA lang ba dito sa Philippines, and then you can click find jobs. So these are the job feed that you can see, updated siya just now. So, every day, every time nag-update siya kapag may nagbagong nagpo-post na gusto nilang work. And then, the next video ko, I'm gonna be sharing with you paano naman ako nakakuha or naging prof sa isang university. So, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like and you are happy about this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe my videos. See you next time. Bye.